Hey, this is Jon Johnson with Vandyk Mortgage, coming in with you with the Mortgage Market Mastermind, myself, Gabriela Sanchez France,
Hi.
and our guest again, Tanya Canarte. Rates historically, as you can see, this is over the last 50 years. We're still not at the highs. We're still not even at the average. Rates have been going up over the past 6, 7, 8 months.
People have to look at things in the long term. Rates are still historically low. We're still saying that it's still a good time to buy and to sell because there's other factors that we know are still consistent and true. Home appreciation. Okay, we've weathered through this before. Not just as individuals in the market, our parents, our grandparents, but just as a country in the real estate market.
We know that it's going to go up and hopeful that it's going to go back down, and we're going to be able to help a lot of families who are getting into homes right now at a higher interest rate. I feel like, in a good 2 years or maybe less, the rates go down a little bit more and refinance them.
Rates are changing every single day. We had a good little downturn since the 80s where rates have been going down for a good amount of time. But as always, marry the home, date the rate. You can always change your rate with a refinance a year after, 2 years after. No one's keeping a 30-year mortgage. But overall, looking at the last 12 months, yes, rates have gone up. It's still trending up. Inflation numbers are still very high.
There was also a great period of time that people were refinancing at lower rates when they were in the fives.
In the beginning, get what you can get a monthly payment that works out well for you. But the goal is over the next 3 years, 5 years, to eventually try to get towards a 15 or 20-year mortgage, definitely 15-year. So that's going to save you over $100,000 in interest over the life of your loan just by doing that.
2-3 years ago, the rates were in the fives and the six. Bond loans were in the 5.5, and we refinanced them 2 years later into a 2.5. So I have hope.